Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I have all of the energy right now because my Peter Pan blind bag Wishables just arrived today. Like literally just arrived. I got off my Peloton and knew, okay, these are coming. I have to unbag them right away because I cannot wait any longer. These were released on March 3rd, so they are really new. The only thing is that the Wishable that comes out of the bag is Tinkerbell, and she is adorable, but she was never released online. So I'm just crossing my fingers and holding out that she will still be available in the parks when we are there in April. So hopefully I'll still be able to get Tink and complete my collection because Peter Pan is one of my favorite movies and just attractions in the park. I love all things Peter Pan and Tinkerbell, Wendy, everything. So if you guys want to see what items are in my blind bags, then just keep watching. Let's jump right into which Wishables we could get. We have Peter and Wendy, Nana, and then the pirate ship. So the pirate ships actually come, I believe, in 3 different colors. People have been posting them online, and so I'm pretty sure that they have 3 different colors of the pirate ships, but I'm thinking this is a pirate ship because it feels pretty big. Let's just go. I can't wait any longer. We're going into it. So I joined a Wishables trading group, and I totally just butchered that cut, but supposedly people like keep the bags, and I have not kept any bag, and they open them from the bottom. It's like very intense. I don't think I can do that, but let's see what my first Wishable is. Yep. Oh my gosh, they're so much cuter than I thought they were going to be. Oh my goodness. So let's take a close up. Here is the red pirate ship. So he's kind of like floppy up here, and there's actually a little seat. This is so cute. So this is adorable. Now I'm concerned. So when you buy Wishables online, you obviously can't feel them. One person posted that they got 8 Peter Pans. That's the only one they got. So cross your fingers that that's not us. But we're just jumping into bag number 2. We're just gonna jump in. We're just gonna do it because this video is gonna be fast because I can't wait. I can't wait any longer. I just can't wait. Okay, so this is another ship. Please don't be red. Please don't be red. Woo! Yes! It's the yellow one. Oh, look at her little eyelashes. Oh, guys, I have so much energy right now. I can't even handle it. I can't even handle it. She has eyelashes. Okay. Number three. Let's just do it. I don't know. I feel like this is a person. I feel like this is Peter, Wendy, or Nana. Come on. Oh, it's another ship. It's another ship. Oh, dang it. All right, that's okay. It's our first double. It is the yellow ship. Okay. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Can I get all the ship? All right. Next one. Another ship. Alright. Yeah! Yes! It's the blue one. Okay. Oh, look at him. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we first have, so we have all of the ships. So hey, that's a positive. We have all of the ships. So we have the red, yellow, and blue ship. So we have 3 down. We have 4. My bad. We have 4 down, 4 to go. So we still need Peter, Wendy, and Nana. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's do this one. I don't have a good feeling about these. gonna ship. Yes, it's Wendy. Oh my goodness, look at her. She is so cute. Wow, adorable. Look at her little bow in the back. Currently getting ready to go to a Walt Disney World trip, and I think I want to do a park bound as Wendy. I really do love Peter Pan, and I think this would be super cute. Just get it, I'm pretty sure I have a blue dress. Throw in like a cute blue bow. Maybe get some Peter Pan ears. Yes. Yes, that's gonna happen. Okay. Speaking of ears, these are my new lavender ears from BB Brooke. As you guys probably know by now, huge fan of Brooke and her shop, and it matches my lavender Mickey shirt that I got at Target perfectly. All right, next one. I feel like this is a ship. I feel like this is a ship. No, it's a person. Oh, it's Wendy again. Oh, so we have 2 bags left, and we still need Peter and Nana. Nana. Ooh, this one's like kind of open. All right, ready? 2 bags left. Ship. Dang it, so that means we're not gonna be completing our collection this time. Dang it. So buckets. Shimmer me timbers. I'm in a mood. I am in a mood today. All right, last one. Last one, and then we'll go through them all. Another ship. Dang it. So we have the blue ship again. So we are in need of Peter and Nana. Dang it. I need to find that person who got all Peter Pans and trade with them. So we have the blue ship, the yellow ship, the red ship, and Wendy. Can she sit in the ships? She can. There you go. Doo-doo-doo. So we have the 3 ships and Wendy, and then we have the 2 yellow ships. So for trade, we have the 2 yellow ships, a blue ship, and another Wendy. So if you guys have Peter or Nana, hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys want to trade. I'm also going to the parks in April, so I'm crossing my fingers they'll still have Tinkerbell available. If they do, let me know in the comments down below if you're wanting Tinkerbell, and then I can check for you when we're at the parks. Oh, dang it. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's unbagging of the Peter Pan Wishables. I am pretty happy with what we turned out with. We got all of the ships and Wendy, so that was pretty successful. Even though we didn't get Peter and Anna, I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to trade for them because this is a pretty popular series and a lot of people wanted them, and I did see that one person who had like all Peters, so definitely gonna go find their post so I can trade with them. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.